Please pay attention. When 5 is added to a certain positive number and the result is squared, the answer is 81. So if I took the number 1 and added 5 to it and squared it, that's the same as 6 squared, isn't it? And that would give me what? 36. What if I took the number 2, added 5 to it, and squared the result? That's the same as what? 7 to be squared. 49. What about if I say I'm taking the number 3, I add 5 to it, and square it? That's the same as 8 squared, which is 64. And so on. If you chose the number 4 and added 5 to it, and squared your answer, it's the same as 9 squared, which is what? So I know the answer. That's the certain positive number. Any questions? Do you understand that? Right. So this certain positive number, what am I going to call it? X. I know the answer now. Right, I have to go back like it's an algebraic sum, because they all won't be that easy. Yeah? And I'll give you an example of one that'll be much harder now. So what do I do with this number x? What do I add to it? And then square it. And what does that give me? X plus 5 to be squared gives me 80. So there's my quadratic equation now. What's x plus 5 to be squared? X plus 5 by x plus 5 is equal to 80. How do you multiply out x plus 5 by x plus 5? X by x plus 5 and 5 by x plus 5 is equal to 81. X by x and x by 5 and 5 by x and 5 by 5 is equal to, that's x squared, 5x and 5x, 10x, and 25. I must get 81 and bring it over. What will it become? So I have to solve x squared plus 10x. 25 minus 81. Minus 56 is equal. Now, how do I solve that? The factors of minus 56. Minus 1 by 56 and by minus 56. We know it's not dead. It could be minus 2 by 28 and 2 by minus 28. There's 3 dividing here. 4. Yeah. Minus 4 by 14 and 4 by minus 14. I know it's minus 7 by 8 and 7 by minus 8. Any questions? Which of them will give plus 10? X minus 4 and x plus. So x minus 4 is 0 or x plus 14 is 0. So x has to be equal to 4 or x is equal to. That's not an answer because they said it had to be what type of a number. So x is 4. Now, what would happen if I said when 5 is added to a certain number and the answer is 70? You'd have ended up here with what formula? The minus b formula. So you would. And in that case, we wouldn't have been able to work it out in our head. Yeah? Whereas in this case, we could. But you wouldn't have been able to work it out in your head in that case. But alright, so we'll have to do some more of these next week. So we will.